Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new AI tool review. Today we're going to be going through the top 3 AI character tools. We're going to be filtering them based on features, how fun to use, and of course, which one is the best free to use AI character tool. So if you are ready, let's go. Crushon.ai. This tool has a list of AI characters, all kinds. You can create your own character, of course. First thing you do is sign in, because to use this platform you need to have an account. Alright, once you have your account, you can see if you have free plan or if you want to go premium. Of course, you can see the characters, or you can click creators and you will see people creating characters. For some reason, if you like some creators, they would create the same type of characters, which is going to be much easier for you to find the ideal character you're looking for. Let's suppose you did not find the best character between all these thousands of characters. Click on create. You can upload your JSON character, or you can just create it manually. You can upload image right here, name your character, fill in the details. By the way, I have a video specifically made for how to create your own character in details. I will leave it as a card in this video. And of course, don't forget to click on bonus and just check and collect your, Crushon.ai coins. Of course, you have more to complete, and you can redeem from here as well and see your achievements if you are using this platform daily. And of course, let's say you chat with so many characters, you can just click recent chats and you will find your character right here. And this is the character that we created for the previous video. Of course, it's going to be here, all your characters that you chat with and the characters you create. And of course, you can have a group chat with your own AI characters, but this is a VIP option. So you click right here and you will see the pricing and the features, of course. And coming in number 2, and this is my personal favorite, is moemate. Of course, when you create your account, they tell you to enter your username, and of course you can enable safe mode, or you can just keep it. Check this box if you want updates on your Gmail. If you don't want, just keep it like that. Alright, so if you enter your name, click continue. Oops, you don't need to have spaces or special characters. Alright, so next you select your interest. You can select, I'm gonna skip this for now, but you can customize your homepage based on your preference. So yeah, what this platform offers, in addition to the cool characters, as you see, there's a huge number of chats, 4 million plus for characters. This tool has generators. The first one is meme generator. So this basically gives you a templates of the very popular memes. For example, the Drake meme, you can click, fill in the prompts, and you click. Of course, it needs 2 of these energy right here. And I think this is like a semi-free tool because this charges, and it charges quickly, I guess. I mean, it doesn't take like a day to charge, less than that. So if you use all your 100 energy points, you can just go and scroll out another tool or do something while it charges again. In this case, you can go and use it for free. And as you see, you can generate a meme without too much, only 2 energy elements from here. The second one is comic generator, and this is a new feature. It has only this panel, 5-panel comic. You can of course try it. Let's go back right here. The second thing I want to talk about is the skills, and the skills is a feature that controls how the characters interact with you. So for example, if you turn on the narration, you'll notice that the character narrate documents for you, etc., and so on, based on which skill you activate So this is pretty much a unique feature for moemate, which gives you accessibility to characters and how do you want them to interact with you based on what you like. So the next thing I want to talk about is the quest. So we click on quest. You have points, of course, and to claim more points, you have to do these tasks. So AI agents, you can follow them on Twitter, and you go back, click claim. Just make sure it's the same Gmail that you used to create this account. It's the same one linked to your Twitter or X account. So in order to do all these tasks, pretty much it's on Twitter. You don't need any other platform. And as you see, people right here are rocking this mission right here. Is people in the leaderboard, but you can pretty much be right here if you log in every day and do all these tasks, right? Pretty fun to use. So you go back to the main lobby, you will see the top picks, of course, or you can select based on categories that you prefer. And coming in number one, Pully Buzz, formerly known as Polly.ai, before that was the name. Of course, you can create your account, click right here, settings, and of course you can customize it just for like more fun. I'm gonna keep it like that for now. And just remember, this platform is totally for free. You can use it as you want. It offers characters already made. Of course, you can create your own character, and also it has an image generation, which is pretty cool. So let's check that out. You click generate image. Of course, you can generate a duo image or a solo image. Let's try the first one. So basically it does have only one model, which you see right here. That's the only style it can generate. So you click settings, you select the image size. You see right here, I recommend this to be in the middle. Do not mess with that, right? But you can, of course, experiment with it. But I tried it, and this is the pretty much the best settings for it. All right, so let's enter this basic prompt and click generate. As you see right here, they said it's generating. You will notice that there's like this star sparkling next to my gallery. You click right here and you will find your generations being loaded, and you just wait for it. All right, it took me like 7 seconds, which is pretty fast for a 3 generation, but just remember, this is only the same model they use, so all the generations with pretty much the same style. And I noticed that they have this failed. I don't know what's the problem, but pretty much 90% of times they have only 3 ready and the 4th is failed. But I think 3 is more than enough. You can regenerate anytime you want. So now let's try out the duo generation. You click ship, right? And here you will see character A, character B, and integration. In character A, you will enter like any character you want. And of course you can like choose from here if you want. So let's click on Gojo, right? And character B, you can of course select, or you can write from here, right? Let's select the next character to it, and here integration, of course you have themes and pauses and stuff like that, or you can write anything you want. Let's just select the first one, and in settings, yeah, of course, portrait avatar profile. Let's select avatar this time, and let's keep these settings as it is. Click generate, go to my gallery, and of course you will see your previous generations right here with the title that you brought and stuff like that. In order, like if you want to save them later on, you just click and download. Just wait a little bit. The duo generations take a little longer because it has more details, but not pretty much 30-second maximum. Alright, it's ready. It took about 45 seconds to generate 3 images, 3 different images, and they look cool. There's no crazy creepy details, pretty much nice quality, and of course there's this failed, pretty much a bug, and I'm hoping they fix it soon. But as I said before, 3 results are more than enough for a free to use AI tool. So that's pretty much it for the gallery. You go back, click discover, and of course you can chat with characters. Click chat, and there you go, your chat box. For creating your characters, click create character. Of course you can upload a file. I will make a tutorial on how to do that later, but now let's just create manually. Intro, like what the first value the character will appear in. So if you want to keep it public, which means everyone can search and find it and chat with it, or you can keep it for yourself. Tags, which help people find it, of course. It's just anime games. Save background, of course, more details. So this will be seen by you because the character is private. Dialogue style, of course, you can customize it, like example of how the character will respond to you, in what tone and stuff like that. Character voice, you can choose from a list. I'm gonna keep it in standard. Just select the gender. Of course, I forgot to mention you need the avatar. You can click upload. You can upload manually, or you can find your gallery, which is pretty cool. Just gonna use this one. Alright, so once you upload your avatar, looks pretty much cool. Fill in all the details, click create character. Successful. Alright, there you go. Of course you can edit anytime you want, delete from here. You want to chat with it, click chat. And there you go. And that's pretty much it, guys, for the video. If you finish it and you find it useful, please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like that, and leave a comment with a question you still have about each one of these tools. And with all that being said, see you in the next tutorial.